Hello,
Yes. What's your
how
name?
are you, madam?
I'm good. How are you?
My name is Krishnam Raju, ma'am.
Your
I am
name
doing
is
well, ma'am. My name is Krishnam Raju.
Krishnan Raju.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Krishnam Raju. Actually, I am from Bhimavaram, which is located in the West Godavari district, state of Andhra Pradesh.
Mhm.
I have done BTech in electronics and communication. My
Okay.
family consists of 4 members, including me.
Mhm.
The first one is my father, who retired as a mechanic in a private company. The second member is my mother, who is a homemaker. And third family member is my elder sister, who currently works as APS RTC as a conductor. Sorry, who works as a conductor in APS RTC.
Okay.
I am the younger and last one in my family,
So you are the
and I am
youngest.
working for private
You are the
company.
youngest, not younger.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah,
what do
yeah.
you do?
I'm working as a private employee, ma'am.
Okay. You are working as a
In
private
my
employee. You are outside somewhere.
near my hometown.
You are
Yeah.
near your hometown.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about your job. What kind of a job it is?
It is like it belongs to IT firm, madam, or be a developer,
Okay.
a small IT firm.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. You work in which area?
I am working near around Vijayawada, madam.
Vijayawada.
It is comes under Andhra Pradesh state only. Yeah.
Oh, it comes under Andhra Pradesh. I have never been to
Yeah.
Andhra Pradesh. Tell me some good places in Andhra Pradesh.
Uh, Good places is Visakhapatnam,
Okay.
and we can find one Arakaloya, like Borra Caves over there. It's a
Okay.
nice visiting place.
Okay.
Apart from that, we are having beaches in Visakhapatnam.
Okay. Apart from that, what did you say?
We are having beaches in Visakhapatnam. One of the beaches is RK Beach. This is so famous in Visakhapatnam.
Actually, your voice is not clear.
We have so many beaches in Visakhapatnam.
Okay.
Famous beach is
Beaches.
RK Beach.
Okay. Yeah, I love beaches. Do you like hills
Yeah,
or beaches?
I like hills and beaches as well.
Oh, you like both. Which one do you like
Yeah.
better? Which one do you like better? Hills or beaches?
I like I like hills, madam,
You like hills
because
better.
I am getting scared when I see beaches.
Your family lives in a village.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, it's a Bhimavaram is a town, madam, not a village.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
a town,
town.
but you are staying away from the
Yeah.
family. Yeah. So tell me, what's the difference
Yeah, madam.
between
Yes,
this
madam.
place and your village?
Main difference is we are having so many facilities in city. We don't have much facilities in my native town.
Okay.
Only thing is infrastructure
Hmm.
and jobs.
But you like the lifestyle of village better?
Yeah, I like lifestyle only, but when compared to some other things like earning, education, cities is more better.
Okay. Cities are better. It's not more better. Cities are better for,
Culture is so good
employment opportunities.
among village people. Yeah,
Mhm. Cities give
yeah,
you more
culture is
employment
they are very good
opportunities.
farmers.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay.
actually farmers are taking care about us in villages. Yeah, they are
Farmers are
very
taking
good.
care of you. Yeah.
Yeah,
So what does your father do?
my father is he's a like he has who's currently retired as a
Okay.
mechanic in a
Okay.
private company, ma'am.
Mhm. So he used to work as a mechanic in a private company.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is your elder sister doing? Okay, she is a
My
bus
elder
conductor.
sister, she is currently work. Yeah, in APSRTC.
She
I
works as a
got
bus
married in
conductor.
2020.
Okay.
Yeah. My
So since
my housewife is homemaker.
okay, you're
I got married in 2020, madam,
you got
and
married in
my wife is a
2020 and
homemaker.
your wife is a homemaker. So your wife
Yeah.
lives with you or she lives in the town with your parents?
She lives with me only.
Okay. So why do you want
She
to
lives
learn
with me
English?
only. Yeah. I want to enhance my English skills, ma'am. Can you
Okay.
tell me how your journey begins with English, ma'am? How can I become very fluent like you?
Thank you
How
so
much hard
much.
work I need to do?
How much hard work. Okay,
Yeah.
it actually took me so many years to become
Yeah.
like this. You will have to read English a lot. And then later on, I
Yeah.
started watching English content. like movies, serials, and TV
Yeah, yeah.
shows, interviews, comedy
Yeah, yeah.
series, and I started listening to English songs as well.
Yeah.
So I made it a habit to watch
Okay.
everything in English. So that would mean actually eat, sleep, and breathe
Yeah,
English.
yeah.
So when you start doing that,
Yeah.
then the language
Okay,
will
okay,
surround
okay.
you from everywhere,
Yeah.
and then you can learn English. So which language is
Okay.
spoken in your area?
We usually speaks our regional language. My regional language is Telugu, madam.
Telugu. Okay. Tell me, if someone comes and lives
Our
in your
mother tongue is
area,
Telugu.
okay. If someone comes,
Yeah.
lives in your area, and that person doesn't know Telugu, but if he starts living in your area for 2-3 years, he will start
Yeah.
understanding first, then he will start speaking by listening
Yeah.
and listening. When he will see the other people, they are speaking in Telugu, that
Yeah. Yeah.
will also speak. So that is how you have to create the
Yeah.
same
Yeah.
environment around you, that English is there all around you.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
you will start speaking English very easily,
Okay.
and you will become really fluent.
I need to expose the environment,
Yeah,
right?
you have to change your environment,
Yeah.
expose yourself to more and more English. Listen to English, read English, see English, speak English.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if there is no one else, then speak English with yourself. You can speak to yourself all day. And what about in your office?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do people speak in English in your office?
Yeah. 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 They speak English only.
Yeah.
Madam, I have one doubt.
Mhm.
When I am reading the English newspaper, a fancy word, I tend to forget to use them in conversation. How
Mhm.
to due to feelings tense. How to avoid this situation? How to overcome it?
Okay, you learn a new word and then you forget to use it in your conversation,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. How to overcome this one?
See, when you keep reading newspaper and that same word appears 10-15 times, then you will understand the meaning in the context. If you just look up the word in the
Okay.
dictionary, then you will forget. But if that word
Yeah,
comes
yeah,
up again and again in the story or in the article, then you will understand the meaning. So that is why don't
yeah,
look up the
yeah,
meanings in the dictionary, because
yeah.
that way you will not be able to remember them. When I watch a new show or I read something, then a new word comes. I try to analyze the meaning of that word
Yeah,
by looking at the context. Even
yeah,
after
yeah,
10
yeah.
times, if I'm not able to understand the meaning, then only I look up the word in the dictionary. But if you just make a list of new words, I am going
Okay.
to learn 10 words today,
Yeah,
then you will always forget them. So always learn
yeah,
new words and improve
yeah,
your
yeah,
vocabulary by learning them in context. So by web series and by movies
yeah, yeah, yeah.
and by articles in the newspaper and magazines, there you can encounter new words and
Yeah.
understand them. And when you have
Okay, okay.
seen the usage 5-10 times, then
Everything seems to be easy with English, but when it comes to practice, it as smooth as expected. It's not as smooth as
yeah, it
expected.
used to happen with me also. Sometimes, I used to think that today I'm going to speak English with this
Yeah,
guy.
yeah.
I have to challenge myself that I will speak. But later on, I used to hide myself in a corner and I will do this tomorrow.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, it happens with everyone. I also used to hesitate.
Yeah, yeah,
So you
yeah,
have to
yeah.
overcome your fear and challenge yourself that I am going to speak
Okay, okay,
one
okay.
line with this guy. And after
Yeah,
that one line, you can immediately come to Telugu.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So people speak like that all the time. It's not
yeah.
necessary that after one line of English, you have to continue with English only. So you can use
Yeah.
like we speak
Nowadays, yeah,
English, Hindi. So you can speak like
yeah.
English, Telugu.
I am doing nowadays. I have been making conversation through CV app and Ash Fluency.
Okay.
Earlier, I used to skip seminars when I was attending school.
Okay.
Nowadays, I have been making conversation with some others through CV app and Ash Fluency.
Mhm. If you keep having
Yeah.
such conversations with different people, then your hesitation will go away. It takes time.
Can you tell me? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you tell me any daily to enhance my English skills, like like reading, listening, and speaking? How many hours do per on daily basis
Yeah, I'll tell you. See,
to enhance my skill within short time?
okay. So
Yeah.
you do one thing. If you have time, then read for 1 hour every day. But if you have little less time, then read for half an hour every day. Every single
Okay.
day. Okay, read anything that you
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
magazine, newspaper, storybooks, whatever.
Okay.
Okay, or recipes, health, anything, and write for about
Yeah, yeah,
5 to 10 minutes every day. At the end of the day, maybe you can write like about your
yeah,
family, or what did you do today, how my day went today. On any topic, write a paragraph
yeah, yeah,
every day. And the third and most
yeah,
important thing is
yeah, yeah,
listening and watching. Watch English videos, be
yeah,
it a
yeah,
movie, serial, web
yeah, yeah,
series, interviews,
yeah.
comedy show, anything. Watch them for 1 hour every day,
Okay,
every
okay,
single
okay.
day. Okay. If you do these
Yeah, yeah.
things every day and then
Okay, madam.
go to the office and speak English, try to speak English every day. These 4 things are required.
Yeah, yeah,
SLRW, speaking, listening, reading,
yeah,
writing. These 4 pillars. If you keep working
yeah.
hard, you will be fluent in a year or so. You will see a lot of difference in yourself
Okay,
in about 3 to 6 months. It takes
okay,
time.
okay, okay.
If you want to be very fluent, then it will take 1 to 2 years.
Yeah,
It depends on the person,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you tell me what's my English level? I mean, beginner level or intermediate level? What?
You are at intermediate level. It's not a
Yeah,
beginner
yeah, yeah.
level. So you speak well. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Because in the office, actually, you get English
Yeah.
exposure every day.
Any grammar
Exposure,
books for me, ma'am? Yeah, yeah.
no, no, I don't think so.
Can
You
you
don't need
suggest any
to buy
grammar
any
books
grammar
for
books,
me?
but you should
Yeah,
polish your skills on English tenses, forms of verbs. So there is no need to
yeah,
go
yeah,
very deep in grammar.
yeah.
So does your wife speak English?
No, no, she has not speak uh, English, ma'am. No.
Okay.
She used to speak in Telugu only.
Mhm. Okay, in your area, people only speak in English
Only
and
I
Telugu.
have been making conversation through CV app only.
Okay, CV app.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, CV is a nice
Daily
app.
have
It's
been
AI
talking
based app, no?
through app. Yeah, yeah. Apart from CV, yes, fluency is better.
Okay. So you are using both the apps.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you found Ace Fluency
Can
better.
you tell me any suggestions for avoiding stage fear, ma'am, including with English?
Avoiding stage fear. Okay. So
Can
you
you
have
tell
to
me
give
any
some
suggestions
presentations on
how
stage.
to avoid?
So you have to
So
give some presentations on stage.
yeah, yeah.
Fear. You
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes.
you have stage fear because of English or just like that?
Not only English. From childhood only, I used to getting scared
Mhm.
when I
You can
go
do one
to
thing,
stage.
just 2 to 3 days prior to
Yeah.
the stage performance, then you dread it the most, right? So at
Okay.
that time, just make a list of all the things that you think can go wrong. Make a list of all the
Okay.
things which could happen. Something bad can happen, you fear it. Yeah, that is why there is stage fear.
Okay, ma'am.
So you make a list like I could
Yeah,
fall,
yeah,
or maybe I could fumble, I may
yeah,
not
yeah.
speak, or this will happen, people will think this, and make a list of all the things. And then on the second
Yeah.
column, make a list of
Okay.
other stage performances that you have done. Has this thing ever happened with
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
If it has never happened with you in your life till now, then cross that. And
Nothing.
that way,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
will, challenge your fears and will understand that those fears are
Okay.
irrational, and your stage fear will,
Yeah, yeah.
come down. It will go away, and you will
Okay.
be able to perform
Yeah,
better.
yeah.
And do some meditation
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
That
yeah.
also really helps.
Yeah, yeah. Can you give me some any fluency tips, ma'am?
The most basic fluency tip is SLRW
Apart from
only.
grammar.
Yeah, it is SLRW,
Okay.
speaking, listening, writing, reading. That is what you need to do, because there are no
Okay, okay.
shortcuts.
Yeah, yeah.
To become fluent in English, there are no
Okay.
shortcuts. So you will have to go, work very hard at it, because
Yeah,
it's second language. You were born learning
yeah,
Telugu. So that was easy for
yeah,
you. This one is not easy. It's
yeah,
not easy for you. It was not easy for me.
yeah.
So that is what I would like to say. All the
Okay.
best, Krishnan. You are already fluent
Yeah,
and you
he's reading.
become more fluent.
Yeah.
Your fluency will
Is
improve with
reading
time.
storybooks is better than reading newsbook? Yeah, yeah.
No, no, it's not
I'll,
that. You can read newspaper or magazine also. It's not that.
yeah.
Your English is actually not at the beginner level. If
Okay,
you
okay.
had been at the beginner level, then I would have asked you to read stories first.
Yeah,
So you should directly
yeah, yeah, yeah.
start with newspapers and magazines.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. All the
Okay,
best.
madam.
Okay. It
All the
was
best for
lovely
your
talking to
future
you.
endeavors. Yeah. Advance Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you. Same to you. Wish you a very,
Advance
very
Happy New Year,
happy
ma'am.
new year.
Yeah.